Hello everybody, and thank you so much for tuning in. I hope that you are all doing well. And today I have another Dollar Tree haul to share with y'all. I have some really amazing things. But before we get into it, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you like my content. Once you hit subscribe, we instantly become best friends.
Did we just become best friends? Yup!
And please hit that notification bell. YouTube may or may not let you know when I post a video, but if they don't, follow me on Instagram. I always post my new videos, and every now and then I sprinkle some cute pictures of my dog, my daughter, myself, you know, the whole jazz. So I have a Dollar Tree haul. I found a bunch of really amazing things. Every time I say I want to take a Dollar Tree break, they add some really great things. So I want to start off by showing you these really cute Easter eggs, and they are in the shape of little seashells. This is amazing, and this is one of those items that I'm definitely purchasing now so that when I start summer crafting and doing all of my nautical videos, I have something that is already nautical and I don't have to make using the regular seashells. I do have a bunch of nautical videos and I'll link them below, but these bring 5 and you can definitely split them up if you want to use them on a wreath or whatever the case may be. In the Easter section, I also found these adorable little bunny butt ice cube trays. Bunny butt everything is such a staple for Easter. There's little bunny butt cakes, wreaths, and these would come in really, really cute as little cupcake toppers if you use fondant or if you use candy melt. So cute. By the way, if you are going to use this as a candy melt mold, please do not put this in the microwave. This is an ice cube tray. You can always heat up your candy melt beforehand and then just spoon it on top when it's not too hot, but please do not actually put this in the microwave. I also found ones with just little bunny heads, and this is really cute. This looks like the classic chocolate bunny face. They had another one, but I don't, or maybe it was a Valentine's one. I passed this by so many times, and then it didn't really dawn on me to get it until I saw a few people use them as actual planters. But I got the little fox planter. They also have a turtle and a llama. I couldn't find the turtle. The turtle is the one that I really love. So I can't wait to get one of my real plants in there, one of my little baby succulents. Speaking of plants, I picked up more of these little stackable 3-tier thingies. So you're basically just supposed to take them and twist them like this, and you're supposed to be able to plant like different herbs and stuff. Really wonderful. They do sell something like this online, super expensive. Their system is a little bit more sophisticated, but I think that this is just a really good dupe. Now, the next thing that I was really, really impressed by are the little collapsible storage containers. This is so cute. I love the pattern on this. It is absolutely beautiful. I wish that the sides, or at least the back, had the same pattern, but I totally understand why it doesn't. It's just meant to be pulled out, so if that's what you're using it for, nobody will ever see the back. But I just love it. I hope that they have bigger ones. This one is a 9" by 8". So if you've seen bigger ones, let me know. Now, if you haven't seen my last video, I created this beaded wreath, and I did use a Dollar Tree item. And in that video, I do dry brush. I used a smaller brush, but I found these brushes at Dollar Tree, and they have those funky little edges. These are perfect for dry brushing if you don't want to mess up your more expensive brushes. They bring 2 to a pack. You can beat the devil out of it, or slap the devil out of it. What is it that Bob Ross says? You know what I mean. You can abuse these and you won't feel so bad because they're dollar store brushes. So definitely look in the hardware section if you do a lot of dry brushing or like antiquing techniques. This is the first time that I have ever actually found this at Dollar Tree, and I was really excited. It is this little butter dish. I have seen it before. I've seen people post it in like thumbnails and stuff, but I've never actually found it. So I was really psyched to see it, and it actually feels pretty sturdy. I was pretty impressed. I thought it was going to be like really flimsy and plasticky. Pretty good. I always get really excited when Dollar Tree brings new mirrors, and these aren't new ones, but these are the kind of on the smaller side. They have bigger ones than this. I haven't seen them in the stores in a long time, but I bought a few of these for crafting. They would look really, really cute on an accent wall if you want to add some details. Another item that I was totally intrigued by is this e.l.f. wax pen. Now, this is supposed to be to shape your eyebrows, but I bought it because I wanted to see what the tip looked like, because if you work with a lot of rhinestones, wax tips are wonderful for, yes, wax tips are amazing for picking up rhinestones, for picking up sequins, anything that you have trouble picking up with your hands, wax will do the trick. I actually link one always when I use it, and it's a nail one for rhinestones, but this is going to work, and it is going to lose the tip after a while, so you may have to reshape it, but for $1, you can either use this to pick up your rhinestones, or you can just use a clear crayon and it'll make your life so much easier. I'm all about making my crafting life very easy. These 3D wreath forms I've already used in a craft, but I don't like buying too many of one thing, but these, I feel like these are gonna disappear when I need them most, and I love them. They're 3D wreath forms, so when you open them up, it's gonna be a nice little dome, and they have two sizes. They have this one and a bigger one. I can't find my bigger one. This is worth the money. I'm not sure how much they sell them at Michael's, but it's definitely not $1, especially for two different sizes. Another thing that is a huge, huge bargain is the Westcott scissors. Usually Dollar Tree will carry the smaller ones, but this time around I found these. And when I bought my sewing machine years ago, I went to Walmart to buy some good sewing, fabric scissors, and one of the brands there was Westcott. So they're about $6, $7, $8, $9 depending on which one you buy. I don't know how much these retail for. I'll look it up and I'll put it on the screen. So I did buy quite a few of these because they're amazing. I use my old ones to cut through popsicle sticks and they're like butter. So if you can find this, I don't know if it's going to be the same as the ones that I bought from Walmart, but I don't see why not. I always need scissors in my house, so meh. This I thought was hilarious. They're adding more and more of the hair accessories that were promoted heavily in the 90s, and this time they added the Revlon little ponytail thing. You take this out, you wrap it around your ponytail, and you're just supposed to have like funky little hair. This was really popular before when that messy bun thing was very popular, and I don't mean the messy bun that people wear now. I mean that bun with just hair sticking out at the bottom. So I bought this color. I didn't buy it to wear it. It wouldn't even match anyway. I bought it for other things. And the last haul, I got a fishtail braider, which I haven't tried yet. And then before that, I got the bump it. So I'm pretty psyched that they're adding all of these cool gimmicky things. Hopefully they have that brush next. I know somebody out there knows which brush I am talking about. In the kids section, which is my favorite section at Dollar Tree, they had more Barbie accessories. They haven't yet added an actual Barbie doll, like a Barbie brand Barbie doll, but I feel it coming because they have so many of the accessories and clothing that one day they're gonna slip a random Barbie doll in there. Either way, they're like $3 if you get them on clearance at Walmart, but still, I'm watching you, Dollar Tree. You're definitely gonna bring a Barbie. So they have different outfits. There's a soccer player, a chef, a nurse, very important. I think it's cool. I think it is really cool. I got Mickey Mouse socks. I love when they add name brand stuff. So these are tiny little Mickey Mouse socks. Somewhere out there I found some Paw Patrol ones as well. And then I got these cutie ones before they disappeared. My Dollar Tree still has some random Valentine stuff, and this is just a little piggy with heart eyes. That's me. I love that Dollar Tree has these little craft fabric pieces. Recently, somebody posted one that actually had bunnies on it and was super cute. So this would definitely come in handy for certain crafts. If you haven't seen the video, I created a dupe for the Hobby Lobby umbrella, and this might actually be enough to create the umbrella. Will it? I don't know. It's supposed to be, is it a yard? It's 20 by 21 inches, so I'm not exactly sure how much fabric I used because I had a ton left over. But for other things like lining a basket or anything, this is really cute. Sometimes I do recommend just going to your fabric section at Walmart or anywhere and seeing what fabric is on clearance or what fabric has been pre-cut and left behind. Usually those are on sale as well. They always have a scrap pile. Look out for those. I don't know why. I don't know what that was. That was a gum wrapper. I'm sorry. I don't know why I thought this was so cool looking. It is just a regular clear garden dish, but the fact that it was so shallow, I don't know why. It just looks so dang fancy to me. It just does. Is it fancy? No, it's a plastic bowl, but it looks it to me, and that's what's important. So this I found in the garden section. And my Dollar Tree was all stocked up on these little things. These are hard to find because everybody wants them, and they are really expensive in places like Michael's and Joann. I think Michael's has them for $10. They are a little bigger, and sometimes they do have plastic or they have glass, but they are more expensive, so you can find them at Dollar Tree. You can get some really cool decor out of this. I made a little diver's helmet using this, and I think I created something else. I don't know, I have so many videos on this channel. I've been doing this for so many years. But let's see what I create now, because I did pick up a few. In the candy section, every season they are adding some cookies, and they're getting cuter and cuter. So these are in the shape of little bunnies. The ingredients, I'm not gonna sit here and be like, they're great, because I don't know, and they're probably not. But how cute are these? When I went to Home Goods, I saw that they had an Easter card with a cookie on it, and I don't know how much they were selling it for, but if you bought this and you bought a Dollar Tree Easter card and just included that as a cute little Easter gift, that'd be so cute and so affordable. In the garden section, I was able to find this little welcome sign with the little windmill, and I love that it actually works and it turns. They also have one that is a wind chime. So it's the same design, but it doesn't have the welcome at the bottom. It is just a little wind chime. Have y'all seen these baskets? I love Easter and spring decor. And Dollar Tree, every time they put out baskets, I always buy them and I always repaint them and use them around my house all year round. But I am so excited that they put these out. Not only are these bigger than the regular Easter baskets that they carry, but I love that they're in a natural color, so you can always just add details to this and not have to worry about repainting the entire thing. It doesn't have a handle, so I love this. I really do. It's not to say that I still don't love the other ones. You can always remove the handle in the other ones, but the fact that it's already a plain canvas and wider, it's so beautiful. I love it. I got 4 of these, but my store had a ton, so I'm pretty sure that is going to be the new crafting phenomenon now. A bunch of these. I'm so psyched. These bunnies are actually sold at Hobby Lobby as well, but a lot more expensive. Granted, you can use a coupon at Hobby Lobby, but the fact that this is an exact dupe for a Hobby Lobby item is great. I used this last year to create a galvanized bunny, which I did use outside for a while, but you can do so much with this. I've seen people put moss on this. I've seen people Mod Podge it completely. His face does kind of creep me out just a little bit, or her face creeps me out just a little bit, but you can definitely make some tweaks and adjustments to this and just use the little bunny frame. So it's up to you. I did grab a few. I'm sorry that this is all over the place, but I got this felt bunny garland. This is another thing that is an exact dupe. I think Kirkland's has a garland like this. Maybe theirs is wood, I'm not sure. My mother-in-law sent me a picture of one from Kirkland that had the same color scheme and everything. and it was like $14.99, something like that. So this was $1 and it brings 8 bunnies. Some of the colors in here I don't enjoy, but you can always remove them. I actually bought 2 packs for that reason, so I can remove the colors that I don't enjoy and use those as stencils and then use this as my garland. I also really love, every year they kind of put the same plush toys out, but this year they added a few cute ones, and this little chickie is adorable. They had a few others, but I didn't want to go too crazy on them because what's going to happen is that next year they're going to put better ones out, and I'm going to forget that I have my little chickie right here, which is so cute. And this they put out every single year. This is the little bunny basket. Mine is all beat up because I put it at the bottom of my bag. Five Below has something extremely similar to this. Theirs is a lot bigger, so I will give them that, but it is the same concept where it is the burlap bunny and the 2 little ears. But if you do want a bigger one, Five Below has one as well. Another thing that I thought that could be used for Easter, even though it doesn't have a bunny or maybe like woodland type decor, are these stencils. They have a fox, an owl, a little birdie, and a squirrel. Squirrel? You tell me below. Super cute. I love when they have these. These are supposed to be reusable. You're supposed to be able to take them off, store them, and use them. And I have used this in a craft before. I made some wood mirrors, not using these, but using floral ones. And I was able to remove them and use them on other mirrors. But after that, you know, removing the paint is impossible. So I kind of see these as like a, yeah, they're reusable, but they're going to be really dirty and might not be as sticky when you go to use them on another project. Still really worth it. Still really cute if you don't have a Cricut. Since everybody's going to be spring cleaning soon and everybody's already cleaning to try and get their house in tip-top shape because of everything that's going on, one thing that I buy, and it is so amazing, are these storage bags. Storage bags. I use these for wreaths. This is how I store my wreaths. I just kind of put them in there and then I hang them on hooks either in the garage or in my closet. It really, really, really helps, especially if you have, another thing you can use this for is if you have sheets, like craft paper sheets, and you don't have a big folder to put them in, this is a great place to keep them safe and secure and just put them away. I don't recommend any of their other bags, like they have these little zipper ones that are meant for mattress, for comforters. Don't use those. Those are paper thin. They will rip if you look at them funny. But these, the bags that are actually supposed to be like totes, get them. They are worth it. So that is it for me. I really hope that you enjoyed this haul. Please, my friends, stay safe out there. Keep calm. Do you. Like I said, I'm not saying any of this to upset anyone. I just want all of you to be good, healthy, happy. And I really hope that you enjoyed this haul and that I see you next week. So thank you so much for tuning in, and I will hopefully see you on the next one.